Warrior One pose or Virabhadrasana A is one of yoga's most famous poses. It is a standing posture commonly practiced in vinyasa classes. In this version, referred to as Warrior One, the front knee is bent at a 90-degree angle, while the back leg stretches back and torso faces forward. It is part of the Sun Salutation B series and is often followed by Warrior 2 and Warrior 3 pose. Begin in Tadasana. Inhale, hands at the hips. Exhale, hip slightly, and step your right foot wide apart about 3.5 to 4 feet. Turn your left foot out 90 degrees so your toes are pointing to the top of the mat. Pivot your right foot inward at 45-degree angle. The feet are kept at hip distance so that the hips can be at same level and facing forward. The left knee is kept at 90-degree angle with the knee in line with the second and third toe. Your shin should be perpendicular to the floor. Lift through the arches of your feet while rooting down through your ankles. The spine is taken on the pelvis and not leaning forward. For beginners or tight hips, the back heel can be raised so that the hips doesn't face to the side but face forward. As Warrior One, the hips are facing forward. Once the legs are stable, inhale. From the side, the arms reach up the ceiling. Reach up strongly through your arms, broaden across your belly, lengthen the sides of your waist, and lift through your chest. Keep your palms and fingers active and reaching. You can keep your arms parallel or press your palms together, looking towards your hands. As you gently tilt your head back. Keep your shoulders dropped away from your ears. Feel your shoulder blades pressing firmly inward. To deepen the pose, lean back and feel the stretch on the front torso. Continue to press down through the outer edge of the back foot, keeping your back leg straight. Breathe while holding the pose. To release, inhale, spine up, hands at the hips. Exhale, back heel raise. Inhale, step to the front. Exhale, hands to the side, back to Tadasana.